welcome to the channel. And if this is your first time watching me, my name is Olu and we're going to do a 10-minute makeup tutorial. I'm all finished now, but just wait a second and you'll see how to do it. Just letting you know it's fashion week, so I'm giving you guys a 10-minute makeup tutorial because one of my mentors excuse me, one of my mentors is on a panel in like 20 minutes and I just found out like an hour ago. So, and I obviously have to look good for pictures. So I'm just gonna rush through this, get through this as quick as possible. Minimal to no talking except for what I'm doing. So first, we got the Milk Primer. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, there's a mirror in front of me so that I do not look like a clown afterwards. We're filming this now because I realized I deleted all of the first videos I ever created on my channel because I don't think they were good and they were mostly makeup tutorials. Here we got Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in 13.5. I do not recommend this, so don't run out and buy it. If I recommend anything, I wear Nars Namibia, but I ran out. I don't like it because it smells like poison. It smells like gasoline, and why would I want gasoline on my face? All of my makeup brushes, for the most part, there are some new Sephora ones that are from Sephora obviously, but these ones are from Artis while I worked at Saks Fifth Avenue. Again, 10-minute makeup tutorial, so there's no color correcting. I put oil on my face. I didn't really do any skincare either. What I will say, even though it stinks, you use less product for this, and Giorgio Armani comes in travel size and the Nars one does not. It is summertime, so I'm just a little bit darker than this color, but like as I said, I dislike it, so I'm not gonna buy two colors of this. Okay, just blending that in. So typically it would be a whole bunch of powder that I do, but I'm having a Becca Cosmetics nostalgia moment. Me and my best friend were talking about that recently, and I used to like mix Champagne Pop, which is this one, and Topaz, and just put it underneath my eye instead of highlighting. You just got to make sure you blend it really well because it's not one to just like glide. You see how it brings just a little bit of light? And I like using this brush from Sephora 66 because that little corner fits right into the corner of my eye. This is just like quick, wanting the sun to catch my eye from time to time. This is by no means my typical makeup routine. And the nostalgia mostly came from the fact that they had a 50% off sale at Ulta this week for Becca Cosmetics, which has since the pandemic been bought by Smashbox, I think. But it is truly one of my favorite things. It just gives you kind of like this natural glow, and now I put it in all of like my T-zone area very lightly because you do not need much of this. Again, I mix them both, tap tap, and put them anywhere where you would typically put powder. Can you even see? Sorry guys. Again, in the rush, but I really want to get this out to you since we have no makeup tutorials on my channel and I have to get the men off of my channel. There are like 67% men watching me and I don't like that. But guess what they don't care about is makeup. Okay, I think that should be good as far as highlighter goes. What I do and I cannot skip in my 10-minute makeup is my eyes. I have very intense eyes, I know that about myself, and I like to enhance them by putting a ton, can I say that? Wow, of eyeliner. This one is by Mario, Makeup by Mario. I know there's some girlies who do their eye first to avoid what just happened to my eye. And typically I would do that if I was putting on a lash. In a quick makeup tutorial, I just be forgetting. I add mascara. This is Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And then we got our eyebrows. I am overdue for getting my eyebrows done, but the last time I got them done, somebody cut half of them off. And so I've waited just a little bit over a year for them to fully grow back. I think they're there now. And I've found somebody that I'm willing to test, I guess, to see if she can do it. My problem is that I have really curly eyebrow hair, just like my actual hair. And so not everyone is able. Kind of just smush it because I want to hold it in place with the gel and let that dry. While it's drying, I kind of still feel like I want some blush. So So I'll add my typical blush, which is Exhibit A by Nars. Looks like there was still some more on the brush, so it's giving a little bit of pink. Just a little tap to the nose. See, eyebrows are a little bit dry. Go in and shape them to make them like normal. Like to give them a little bit of shape. Same on the other side. See? And then let them dry a little bit more. And then we're gonna fill them in with the Precisely My Brow pencil. I usually have both of these. Again, that's something I ran out of. All right, and I think I'm going to powder my entire face. And then we've got our 10-minute makeup all done. I use Chanel powder, Chanel pressed. I don't know, something about this powder makes me look like a child. Anytime I wear this powder, or when I first started wearing the powder, people would be like, how old are you? And I love that for me, to be honest with you. I don't know why I'm wearing my hair out when it's raining. See my life. And then we just gotta fill in the eyebrows. So you just put strokes wherever you feel like it needs to be darkened, wherever you saw spaces. Yeah, and until I get my eyebrows done, this is kind of how I do them. And then I just shape them. They do not move, actually. We got Consensual, which is just a brown lipstick that literally matches my skin. And that's that. Thank you guys for watching. Our 10-minute makeup is here. If you have a moment and you like black girls, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know, I'm just trying. What am I doing? Anyway, my supervisor is about to come on at 5:20. It is currently 5:17, and I gotta go all the way downtown in the rain. Am I gonna make it? I am banking on the fact that we're on Black People Time, and I'll still make it. Fingers crossed, wish me luck. Last, I'm gonna put on some earrings. And the reason why I didn't even just go to this event with no makeup and just be on time, I would have been barely on time anyway, is because there's so many things happening afterwards that I wanna make it to. Oh, they're cute. Thank you to Aaliyah's face for the reco.